You'll need 2 medium-sized zucchinis, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 egg, 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of marinara sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Don't forget fresh basil for garnishing if you like. Now onto the zucchini preparation. Slice each one lengthwise into thin strips, sprinkle salt on them and let them sit to out moisture. After some time, pat them dry to remove the excess water. Next, it's time to cook the meat. Heat the olive oil in a skillet, sauté the onions and garlic until they turn translucent. Add the ground meat and cook until it's nicely browned. Then pour in the marinara sauce and let it simmer, allowing the flavors to blend beautifully. While the meat is simmering, prepare the cheese mixture. In a bowl, mix together the ricotta cheese, egg, Parmesan, salt, and pepper until they're well combined. Now it's time to assemble the lasagna. Start with a layer of marinara sauce in a baking dish. Follow this with a layer each of zucchini strips, the ricotta cheese mixture, and mozzarella. Repeat these layers until you've used up all your ingredients, making sure to finish with a layer of mozzarella on top. Once assembled, it's time to bake. Set your oven to 375 degrees and bake the lasagna for about 45 minutes, or until the top is golden and bubbly. Be sure to let it rest before serving to allow the layers to set. When you're ready to serve, garnish with fresh basil if you like, and enjoy it warm. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.